Sara wakes up at 7 o'clock. She stretches her arms. Sara gets out of bed. She goes to the bathroom. Sara brushes her teeth. She washes her face. Sara sits at the table in the kitchen. She eats toast. She drinks milk. Sara says no to coffee. She leaves her house with a backpack. Sara walks down the street. She smiles. A bus passes by, but Sara keeps walking. Sara sits in the classroom. She listens to the teacher. She takes notes. There is a book and a pencil on her desk. Other students sit quietly. Sara does not talk during class. Sara plays football in the park. She smiles. She kicks the ball. Some children play video games, but Sara shakes her head. Sara is in the kitchen with her mother. They chop vegetables. Sara does her homework at her desk. She looks focused. Sara picks up a book. She reads in bed. At 9 o'clock, Sara turns off the light. She sleeps peacefully.